What is up, guys? Welcome down to Leaders Road. My name is Will, and welcome to this BingX review. During this video, I'm going to show you this new opportunity that I found. This site is all about cryptocurrency trading, and no, you don't have to sit down all day in front of the computer checking the market, checking any bots, checking any software. What we have here is the chance to do copy trading. And the best of all, they are giving us a huge list of professional traders with accounts that are generating over 900% a month. That's insane. Everything is absolutely transparent, and they are giving us a lot of info, a lot of data to helping us on choosing the best trader to copy. BingX is not going to lock our capital. We don't need to connect to networks where they're going to have expensive fees. We don't need to pay any monthly subscriptions. All we need to do is pay here a small fee over the trades. This is not a bot. This is a bunch of real traders that are trading their own money, and we can copy their success. Just before we go there, let me remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not allowed to give you any financial advice, so do your own due diligence, do your own research, and don't invest any money in any project that you are not willing to potentially lose, because I'm just sharing my experience with these projects. I start to hear about BingX pretty much everywhere, so I'm willing to give it a try. And if you want to see my journey with this project and the other projects that I'm covering in this channel, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. I will appreciate your likes, and if you have any questions, you can leave those down below in the comment section, or if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video. Alright, BingX has been in the market already for a few years. They are offering different services. This is mainly an exchange platform. You can buy, you can sell crypto. If we take a look here on top, we find all the tools that they are offering. You can check the market, spot. You can do grid trading. They are offering professional tools to do all that is related to arbitrage. And they are currently having over 17,000 users in this platform. The grid trading feature is actually for those that already know how to trade. But in my case, I'm not a trader. I don't know how to trade. I just want to invest my money, put it on a low risk projects with back testing, projects that are legit, projects that are offering real results. And that's why I really like this other feature that they are offering in BingX, and that is the copy trading. And if we go there, we're going to have the chance to copy them, copy their strategies. Only with a few clicks, we can emulate their accounts and start to have the same results. As they say here, copy global elite traders. Right now, over 3 million, almost 4 million users are copying these trades. We are going to focus on future trades. If we scroll down, we can see here the trending traders, the guys that are performing absolutely insane in the last 7 days. This is the trader everybody's talking about right now. Look, in the last 30 days, his strategy generates over 300% in gains. He has a bunch of copiers already, and there are others with also insane results, like this one. In 30 days, 180% in gains. This one, in 30 days, 142%. Those ones are amazing results. Of course, their strategies are more risky, but they are also having some more conservative traders. And in this side, you can find a bunch of different approaches. We have a filter. I already made my list of the top traders that I want to copy. And what I did here is I select BingX standard futures. Then I scroll down. Here in the 30 days ROI, is going to give us a list of traders with a minimum and maximum percentage in their accounts. 200% in wins in only 30 days. You can also categorize them by risk. Let's say you want to go from 1 to 5, or if you are more aggressive, probably you want to take a high risk, starting from 5 to 9. The trader's win ratio, let's say at least 30%, and that's it. Then you click confirm. It's going to give us a list of traders with those characteristics, and look at that. 300%, 73%, 341%, this one 570%, 99%, 146%, only in the last 30 days, and the list goes on. Let's say we want to check this guy. We click in copy or in his name. Right here is where you're gonna find all the information about his account and his strategy. Let me show you. We can see the performance for the last 90 days. This guy made 1,245% in 90 days. You can check the last 7 days. He's always winning. That's insane. And we can check also the trade history. We can see all the trades that he has performed. He has a few losses here, but actually, of course, he's buying low and then selling high. You can see all the performances. He's mainly doing long trades. Here he has some shorts, right? You can see all the copiers that he has. Quite some money here. Look like 16,000 USDT, 8,000, 7,000. So this can help you to decide what kind of trader you want to follow, right? You can see the risk, the win ratio, number of winning trades, losing trades, the average profit. So in each trade, the average of this guy is 24%. They are also giving us the average losses, holding time around 10 hours, trading frequency, that is weekly. He's trading around 23 times a week. And trade days, I think this is important. This is actually a new account, but seems like he has some experience because he's performing really well. But the account is really new, only 45 days. I would rather to go for accounts that are, let's say, at least 2 months, 3 months old. We can see the performance over the last 90 days. There you go. So I'm really excited about this project. I really want to give it a try. I joined some crypto trading projects in the past, most of them bots. But in those projects, I have to get the bot in one side and go to the broker, integrate two of them, send money from one exchange to another. But these guys are making the whole process super easy. They are actually a broker, and we can participate in different strategies. If you also want to give it a try, if you are here in the main site, and remember, if at any point you would like to take a look at this project, all you have to do is click the first link down below the description of this video. You're going to be landing here. You can get access to a demo trading account, or if you want to trade now, start your strategy, you can click there or click here in register. Then you need to open your account. I already have one, so let me log in first. Let me close this. I'm going to go to copy trading. What I need to do first is deposit some funds here. And to do that, I'm going to come here to this icon, like a wallet icon. I'm going to click in deposit. We have all these different options. By default, they are using the USDT in the TRC20, which is an instant transfer. But you have other options here. If you want that, I'm going to use USDT TRC20. Just make sure you're using the right network. Next, I'm just gonna copy the address by clicking this button. It's gonna copy this address. Then I'll go to my wallet and transfer the funds that I want to deposit here. In my case, I'm in Binance, so I come to Binance here where it says USDT. I'm gonna click in withdraw. It pastes the address here. The network, remember TRC20. Then insert the amount that you want to transfer. Let's say if you transfer 1,000, remember they're gonna charge 1 USDT in transaction, so you need to add an extra one to have the 1,000 if that's what you want to transfer. Give me a second. So after you perform your deposit, you just come here to assets. There is my deposit. I put 700 USDT here. Once you have this, we're gonna come to copy trading and find the trader that you want to copy. As I told you, I have a list right here where I check the frequency of trades, the win rate, the level of risk that they have, the losses and wins in the last 7 days, in the 1 month, 3 months, the average profit per trade, how many people are copying them, and how many days they've been performing with this account. I already highlight the guys that I think have the potential to bring some gains. Definitely this guy Tuntun is one of those. If you want a copy of this, I'll leave it in my Telegram group. Just search in the pin messages. But anyways, all of this data comes from this site, so I'm going to copy this guy. So I click in copy. I can follow him. I click in copy trading. A disclaimer. All right, the first step, we need to tell the system how much we want from our balance to be used in each trade. When a trader opens a trade, the estimated principal amount of your order there says 2 USDT, but I'm going to put it as 70 USDT. So every time he trades, he could be trading $3,000 in one trade. I'm going to be copying the same, but I'm only going to jump with 70 USDT. Now, if we click here in advanced settings, open position principal, here we add the amount that we want to use with this trader. I'm going to split this 700 in two, so I'm going to use only 350. After this trader's position principal reaches this value, trades will no longer be copied. So I'm going to copy 5 trades, 7 times 5, 35, so 350. And the other 350, I'm going to put it in another guy. So that's it. You just decide how much you want to put from your account, or you can put the max, and here you put in each trade. These ones are going to be my settings, so I just copy now, view details. So this is all I need to do here. Let me show you something else. This site has an app, so you can also monitor this from your phone. With this site, you don't need a KYC. Only if you have a big account, I think over 10,000 in trades. What else we got here in the main site? There is a community. If you want to get access to that, just come to the main site. Here you have access to the Telegram group. There is already over 100,000 members. They have social media profiles pretty much all over the web. They even have a YouTube channel. Check it out.
In 2018.
All right. So this is not something new that just showed up a couple days ago. This is an established company that is actually an exchange company that is also acting as a broker and is offering this cool feature of the copy trading. We have here in feed, it's like a social media platform too. You can see the people that you are following, their posts, recommended, influencers. So it's pretty cool, especially for investors, because I know you want to become a big investor, and that's why we are here. All right, guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying here until the end. I hope this information was valuable to you. If that's so, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. Leave your likes, leave your comments down below. That is going to really help me to put this information out there. If you want to get in touch with me, remember you can find me on Telegram. The link's in the description of this video. I hope to see you in the next one. I'm gonna come back with more updates about this site. I will show you my results and the other traders that I'm copying. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. See you next time.